this is Stormy and her favorite football, and I unknowingly taught her how to back up. She loves it when you throw it, but she likes it even more when you kick it with your foot. So before, she'd be too close just like this, and I'd have to say, back up, and we'd flip it, and she'd go get it. So now, she'll bring it back, drop it, and we'll be ready again. She doesn't, so I tell her, back up, good girl, you're still too close, back up, good girl. Usually she gets mad about it. Let's see if she does it this time. Alright, drop it. Back up. Yeah, back up. Good girl. And that's it. That's Stormy being too smart.